Do you have a missing tooth? Missing one tooth can affect not just your smile, it can affect your function also. Hello, I am Dr. Bobby Thomas from the Dental Department of Chinmaya Mission Hospital. When a tooth is missing, nearby teeth can drift into that place. Opposing teeth can erupt more, which is called supereruption. Bone loss can happen. Chewing can become difficult. So what can replace natural teeth loss? Implant can replace a natural teeth loss by replacing. It will act like a root of the natural teeth, and on top of that we can build the tooth. So bone loss can be controlled. And the question every patient asks is, does the implant procedure hurt? So the myth is, people usually believe that it will pain, it will have a lot of swelling. No, actually it is done under local anesthesia and it will cause minimal discomfort. Proper planning and aftercare, the discomfort can be made minimal. Recovery is beautiful. The missing tooth doesn't have to become a lifelong compromise. Right treatment can restore the smile, the confidence, and the function. If you have a missing tooth, don't learn to simply live with it. Learn to address it. You can visit our Chinmaya Mission Hospital and meet our dental team to understand whether a dental implant is right for you. Thank you.